Hi, Ellie here. Hope you're all doing okay. Today I'm going to be cooking inside because it's absolutely pouring and we have had this wet weather for about 6 weeks now. Wind and rain, it's not going to go away. Atlantic storms coming over the UK. I'm testing out New York style pizza dough and I'm going to be using the Ooni Volt because it's absolutely pouring outside. So let's get cooking inside with a high heat pizza oven. Let's do it. I bought this, it's not a sponsored video or anything. I just wanted to test it out, see how I can improve my dough in the Volt. With this one I have to add water and oil. I've divided the packet in half. Each box makes 4 pizza balls and I'm going to cook only 2 pizza balls from this box. I'm adding the 205 grams of water to the 337.5 grams of pizza mix. I also need to add oil to the mix. The ingredients list on the box shows that the mix has flour, salt, sugar and yeast, but it doesn't specify the quantities of each. I'm now going to add the mix with water and oil into the bread maker bowl. Let's turn it on and get kneading. I am moving the dough to an airtight container. The instruction states to place the dough into fridge overnight. It's been in the fridge overnight and had to proof for 2 hours at room temperature. On the box it states to set the pizza oven to 370 degrees Celsius, so let's do that. This ball is 250 grams. I now need to stretch it out and place it on a peel. I am placing fine semolina on the peel. So these are my toppings. I am using block mozzarella that I've diced with finely cut ham. I'm using the same toppings with a different dough to see how the dough results compare. I'm not really looking at how the toppings are cooking, I'm looking at how the dough crusts are cooking and the base. But I'm testing out the dough to see if it comes out as a thin, crispy crust. Let's get this pizza into the oven for my first cook using this New York pizza dough mix. Again, let's do a little wiggle to check it's not sticking and launch the pizza into the Ooni Volt. And it's got to be with an oven that's 370, so I put on, there's no 370 option on here, so I've put it between 350 and 400. It says 370 in the middle, wiggling my dough just to make sure. Little wiggles, you can see the marks on there. Check the base. Whoa. And here it is, all cooked. I'm not sure if my dough base has come out like a New Yorker. It looks very similar to the Neapolitan dough. It's got lovely bubbles. The base has cooked really well too. I like the way the Volt is cooking these pizzas. So let's try again using thin salami with the cubed mozzarella. I'm going to give the peel a wiggle and we are ready to launch again. So I like using this peel in the Volt. The thing is, you're not really turning, you're just pulling it out once or twice, if that. So I like that peel for doing that. So let's get this in. Done. Even though it's supposed to be New York style dough. I've tried the Neapolitan one and now the New York one twice. The New York one is bubbling up like the Neapolitan one. I'm just happy that this is cooking really well. I don't want to be going out buying packets of dough. It's not the cheapest way to make pizza. I want to replicate a good dough recipe, and I'm using these to see how it goes, and I'll also see if I can taste the sugar. It's not salty, it's just right. The dough is really nice in the Volt, and I'm sure you can make it differently. Didn't put New York toppings and whatever, and I wasn't aiming to be a New York pizza. I just wanted to make sure the dough cooked nicely, and it really has. A good taste. I get my cheese off Amazon. I'll put the link for that if you're interested in the description below. I wasn't sure where to get my block mozzarella from. Really good cook with the Volt. It is like using an outside pizza oven. Look at that. Lovely bubbles. This is nice again. I don't think this has come out as a New York style with its thin crispy crust for me, but I really like it this way anyway. The base is cooked really well again too. So all in all, I really do like these pizza mix packets. I'm also impressed with the Ooni Volt. It's pouring with rain outside with a dark Atlantic windy storm, and here I am in my warm dry kitchen cooking high heat oven pizza in the summer. So this oven did cost me. I paid full price for it, and the Ooni Volt is not cheap, but I am definitely getting my money's worth from it as I live in such a wet and windy climate, even in the summer. I can see me reaching for this oven a lot over the autumn and winter, and I can't wait for that. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my pizza testing, and thanks for watching. Check out my first cook and pizza oven review videos on the links above and in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye. And bye from Kai. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.